Hey guys, it's Alexis and welcome back to my channel. A really exciting package just arrived at my doorstep today. Let me show you what it is. It's the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection. Basically, in today's video, I wanted to do something a little different. I'm not like a full-on beauty guru. I really like makeup, but my expertise is more in fashion. So I wanted to style some outfits with the colors of eyeshadow. So we're styling the palette to show you how you can really wear it in everyday life because there are a lot of really loud colors in here. So much work went into getting one of these, let me tell you. Originally, I wanted the Conspiracy palette because that was the palette that everyone was freaking out over, but that got sold out in seconds. Finally, at like 8 or 9 o'clock at night, I was on the website, it refreshed, I was able to add one of the mini Controversy palettes in my cart, and I was like, hallelujah, my day is made. But I figured you guys probably wanted one too and you had a difficult time getting one, so I got an extra one to do a little giveaway, so stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to find out how to enter. But first things first, I wanted to do a little unboxing and open the palette because I still haven't even seen it yet. Okay, both of the palettes are wrapped in the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star wrapping paper that we saw during the series. They're very heavily wrapped. That's what it looks like. Oh my god, it's very cute. The one thing is, it's a very like faded out, so you can't really see the text that well, but I guess that's the vibe they were going for like the vintage TV. Okay, this is cool. This is really cool. I definitely like the way that the makeup palette looks better than the box. I'm gonna open it. Oh wow, ooh. Okay, this is so cute how the stamps turned out. My palette's pretty much perfect. Look at that. Ah. Okay, and it also has a mirror too, which I really like, and it says Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, but there are some crazy colors in here. The My Apology with the T, that's hilarious. Guys, this is gonna be fun. Let's start styling these colors now. Put on the first color from the collection, and it's called Flat Earth. It's this blue milky color that is almost on like a white spectrum. The color was pretty easy to style since it is more in the white family than like the neon color family. It just so happened that I was wearing a white t-shirt with some blue undertones in it, so I didn't even have to change. It just worked out perfectly. And whites pair really well with like nude brown colors, so I just got this brown jacket. It's a puffer and it's faux leather from Bagatelle. The one thing is it's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, so I had to put on a few layers of it, but overall I think it looks pretty cute. I'm a little shocked to say the least. I don't really go crazy with my eyeshadow colors. I usually stay in the more neutral browns, a little sparkle here and there. So when I saw this light brown color, I was like, we're gonna connect, me and you, baby. But I put it on, and I legit put 3 coats on my eyes, and you can't even see it. The eyeshadow was so powdery, it was almost like crumbling in my hand. Originally, I thought this was gonna look really cute with a white sweater, but if I put on a white sweater, I would literally look like sand. I decided to pair it with this green corduroy top that I got from Nasty Gal. It's oversized and chunky, which I like, so it definitely adds that pop of color that I was missing from the eyeshadow. I just wore a black tank top underneath and threw on my little Louis Vuitton bag just to spice it up a little bit. Now, on to the next color. Raki, do you like the palette? I think Raki likes the palette. I don't think it's possible for a color in this collection to beat my boyfriend's purse. It went on so well and it was really pigmented, and it also matches most of the colors that I usually wear on my eyes. This is definitely a winner for me. I think that metallic-y silver colors pair really well with burgundies or moody colors like that. I have this burgundy leather jacket that I bought when I was visiting my sister in Italy last year when she was studying there, and it's probably one of my favorite jackets I own, so any excuse I get to wear it, I'm down, and I think it just looks great together. Guys, stop laughing at me. I know you're laughing at me because I look like a clown. The only possible way I can mute down this color is by throwing just like a chunky gray cardigan. It was really hard to blend this color, so we were struggling. My fingers are pink, I usually apply eyeshadow with my fingers. I know that's like not the best technique, but it's usually what gets the most pigment, and we were struggling. Yikes, is what I have to say about this color. After experiencing that purple controversy color, I could not have been more thrilled to have root beer be my next shade. I just decided to pair it with this blue fuzzy sweater since fuzzy sweaters are really trending right now. And it's just like a plain brown color that I'll wear on the daily. I couldn't ask for more, so thank you for including this color in this palette. Color that I'm wearing right now is called My Apology, and I think I deserve an apology from the universe because look at what my eyes look like. This is insane. I never wear this color. I had such high hopes when I saw it in the packaging because it looked really pretty and pigmented, and then it looks like I have an eye infection. But the purpose of the video is to style all the colors, so I'm gonna be doing that. I decided to style this metallic red color with cheetah and a little croc bag since I'm super into that right now. But guys, just being honest with you, I would never wear this color. I'm not trying to promote or endorse this color because I think it looks bad. But if you want to wear it, this is how you should style it. Guys, I cannot even begin to tell you how refreshing this color is than the last one. It's just a light baby pink, pairs pretty much with anything. I just thought it'd be fun since I have a baby pink sweater to pair it with that, and then I just threw on this little champion fanny to make it a full champion look. This also could pair great with like a black sweater if you have it too, but I love this one. It's a keeper. Last two colors of the palette were Cancellation and Simulation, and I felt like it was unnecessary to do two separate outfits with these colors since one was just the matte version and one was the sparkly version. So I decided to put on the sparkly version, and I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, I just would never wear this color. It is just so bright and out there and pigmented. Maybe it would be cute to wear to a music festival, but going to school, going to the grocery store, going out to dinner with your friends, this is just a no-go for me. And I noticed that when you're taking off the makeup, it's really hard to get the pigment off your eyes. The only way I would pair this top is I had this rainbow one-shoulder top that also has a lot of blue in it, so I thought it would be cute. You could probably wear this with like a plain white sweater, but I feel like if you're wearing eyeshadow like this, you need to be going somewhere loud and crazy, so this is why I chose this top. Anyways, this was a really fun video to film. I got to try out every single little eyeshadow in the mini controversy palette, and now it's time for the fun part, the giveaway. I feel like I look ridiculous talking about doing a giveaway when I look like this, okay? Anyways, for the giveaway, all you have to do to enter is subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at itsbyalexis. I'm gonna be posting this picture where you can enter and just like tag a few friends so I know you entered. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing all of the different colors and the palettes. I love you guys. See you back in my next video.